Welcome, today I am with REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you the most useful things that you can find in the camera and this phone. So at the first we are going to start from the photo mode. When you're here, you can quickly increase or decrease brightness level by tapping on the screen. Take a look. When you move this icon, you can decrease or increase the brightness level. You can also make it manually by tapping on the screen, and right now our device make it manually. That's very simple. The same you can make on the video mode. Let's go back to our photo mode, and when you are here we can open this menu where we can add timer to our shutter, 10 or 3 seconds. When you leave it, for example, on the 3 seconds, you are able to put your phone on the tripod, press on the shutter, and you get 3 seconds to go in front of your rear camera to get photo. So it's useful, for example, for group photos. The same when you go for the 10 seconds. Right now I'm gonna turn off this option because I don't need it. Then another option, we can quickly change the temperature and the colors on the photos by using these filters. Just take a look. There's a lot of different filters. It also works in the video mode. Take a look. But it's less of them. Okay, right now we are going to move for the settings. And right here we can find volume button action. Currently it's set up on the shutter, so when I'm going to press volume down or up button, I can take a photo, for example. But I'm gonna switch to the zoom and take a look how great it works. You press the volume up button and you can smoothly zoom in to the 20 times. And that's the maximum zoom in this phone. And if you want to zoom out, just click on the volume down button. And it also goes very smooth. Another useful thing that we can use right here in the settings, it will be in the shutting methods. You get two options, tap to capture and show palm. I'm gonna enable both of them and take a look at the first one. Tap to capture, you can just click on the screen and you will take a photo. So when you cannot reach this shutter, for example you have small hands or you cannot use second hand, you can just tap and the photo will be taken. And also you can show the palm of your hand on the front camera. Take a look. And as you can see, the photo was taken. Right now we are going for more modes. In this place we can find the dual video mode. So right now I can record video at the same time for the two cameras, and we can change here the layout of this option so we can get around view of our front camera. I think that's useful. Also we can use 64 megapixel mode if you want to get more information on the photos. So let me show you how it works. And right now photo without this mode. Take a look. This photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks very nice, very clean, with good details. But when you switch to the 64 megapixel mode, you can spot definitely more details, and you can also zoom closer to the object. Okay, and I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.